For the first part of our manufacturing tour, we will visit our traditional box plant, which historically has produced plain and Flexo printed brown boxes, trays, pads, and all varieties of shipping containers. Today, this portion of our plant still produces these packaging products and additionally provides finishing work for our rapidly growing high graphics packaging business, which we will visit next. The BoxMaker strives to deliver every project in full, on time, and to spec. Throughout our plant, you will see our quality policy on display, which states, through continuous improvement, we educate and empower our coworkers to identify and prevent nonconformances with a goal of zero defects. Our promise is to consistently deliver effective solutions which are precise and on time. After your order is entered by client services, it goes to production support for scheduling and to be routed for production. The BoxMaker is a corrugated sheet plant. We purchase raw material, or sheets, directly from a corrugator. Most of our supply comes from a corrugator just a few miles away, and their raw paper is supplied largely by local mills. All of our corrugated suppliers are Sustainable Forestry Initiative certified. Each order of raw material is custom manufactured for each client project. Our raw materials inventory will typically turn over in 18 to 36 hours, and we receive approximately 6 truckloads per day. As you can see here, many sheets arrive pre-scored across the corrugation to create flaps. If needed, extra depth scores are also added by the corrugator at no extra charge, which reduces a manufacturing step for the BoxMaker and saves you money. Our pit stock contains standard size sheets for our most commonly used materials that are cut down and used for a variety of purposes. Pit stock can be used to produce samples, short-run orders, and last-minute rush orders. Keeping this area stocked sets the BoxMaker apart from our competitors who are not able to be as agile to serve client needs. At the beginning of their shift, every Machine Center team knows what they need to produce each day. They have a set number of jobs and a set number of hours to complete them in. The factory ticket follows the order and includes the structural style, a flat layout of all structural components for the order, a print card for any printed jobs, how many machine operations the job will go through, the order volume, delivery hours for the client, and who booked the order. The load tag is printed at the machine when the order is completed and is applied to the completed order when it's ready for shipment. Each Machine Center has key performance indicator goals to improve efficiency. For example, 1% in material waste cost has a value of $18,000 in a month, so reducing waste is one of our tracked goals. These KPIs also relate to safety. We are very proud of our full-time Department of Maintenance professionals. These are skilled electricians and mechanics who know the machines inside and out and perform scheduled maintenance to ensure our machines are operational and we can maximize our uptime for client projects. Racks like this contain all of the print plates needed to produce the upcoming jobs at this Machine Center. Our ink kitchen allows for precise color mixing on site for our Flexo presses. Here we can also make adjustments to the pH and viscosity of the inks to account for seasonal variation. The Ward Flexo Folder Gluer prints 2 colors, die cuts, folds, and glues all in one machine pass. Installed in 2007, it is capable of producing up to 180 boxes per minute with 2-color print. The tracks expand and contract to allow the installation of plates and cutting dies. Waste from slots and glue joints falls onto the scrap conveyor and is pulled into the centralized vacuum system to bale for recycling at the end of the production line. After gluing, the boxes pass over the folding rails and are folded into a box. They then go through the counter ejector, which counts the boxes for bundling. Bundling is automatic, and unless a special request is made, our estimating department will specify a bundle weight based on what the average person can lift. At the quality check station, our operator randomly pulls boxes to verify quality, checking that the box is square and that the glue joint is square. Once bundled, the boxes are loaded onto pallets for shipping. Our McKinley Flexo Folder Gluer is similar to the Ward but handles a smaller sheet size, and because of this, it's capable of producing 300 boxes per minute with 2-color print. Additionally, the full die cut section permits extensive options for tearaway sections, vent holes, self-dividers, and snap lock bottoms. This machine is also equipped with glue check for visual inspection of every glue joint. Sustainability and environmental consciousness are very important to the BoxMaker. We pay to recycle our plastic strap and are proud to maintain a 2% average waste in our plant compared with a 4% industry standard for similar facilities. The Eterna is ideal for handling digitally printed corrugated sheets without damaging the high graphic print. This machine features a stripping section, allowing us to automate the full removal of waste and trim. This die cutter is used to finish the majority of orders digitally printed by our HP PageWide C500 press. The slitter cuts down pit stock into manageable blank sizes for our digital corrugated presses, the Ward and McKinley, and for corrugated pads. The BoxMaker has unique capabilities and equipment to handle stitched joints, which are stapled, as well as to glue large two-piece boxes or tape joints. This is most commonly used in the creation of large appliance boxes, TV boxes, and mattress boxes. These capabilities set us apart from other manufacturers in the area. This is the machine that the BoxMaker began with in 1981. Our rotary jumbo press slots, scores, and prints in one color. It has capability to handle the largest corrugated sheet sizes, including those used to produce mattress or appliance boxes. We can produce boxes of this size with two-color print, but these require 2 machine passes. This machine is used to fold and glue complex structures like straight line, auto bottom, and infold trays. It has 5 glue heads, including hot and cold glue options. It can glue a structure in up to 5 locations in one pass. Although complex structures, such as auto bottoms, require more manufacturing to produce, they can save clients a significant amount of money by reducing the labor and supplies needed to assemble and secure the bottom opening of the box. We recently upgraded our BOPs to include 2 tape heads, which can apply tape strips with thicknesses between 1/2 and 1 inch in lengths of 2 to 24 inches or longer with breaks to your boxes or displays. Pre-applied tape can increase assembly speed for many box and display styles, saving your team time and reducing your labor costs. The Muramatsu is a flat die cutter that does not print. This machine is not our fastest operating die cutter, but because of its size, it uses a less expensive die. The Muramatsu is typically used for lower volume jobs and many of our digitally printed orders. We also operate a Thompson die cutter that handles a slightly smaller sheet size. After production, all boxes are loaded onto a pallet and sent down the conveyor to have dunnage added, be stretch wrapped or strapped. Load tags are applied to either side of the pallet. They are then loaded onto a shuttle and transported to our distribution warehouse 2 blocks away. Hopefully today's virtual tour will spark many questions about how we can help you solve your business's packaging problems. Send your questions to one of our packaging advisors by emailing us at info@boxmaker.com or reaching out to your dedicated sales representative at any time.